Every day is a good day at GM Motorsport when you get to test drive and drive the development car. And we're still walking in with Holden's V6s out the front, LS2, LS3 with a full engine rebuild, some Hemi development stuff. Fast Track's one of their race cars, not their ride cars. GM Motorsport help them. It's got an M&H bottom end, and yeah, it's got all the goodies. Ramjet 3, pretty serious suspension on it. So the guys at Fast Track, yeah, if you want to ever go down and ride it around, they're good guys. I'll look after you. We've got a GDO in the back. We've just done a clutch and a few other upgrades too. We're always extremely busy. Good customers, Carl's project. It's a long project, so take some time on it, but some pretty serious artillery. 427 GM Motorsport cast iron with a dart block, 2650i, and that one has got the upgraded inlet and everything else, so that's going to be pretty cool. We've done a few thousand rear wheel, and that's wheel, not hub, horsepower combos. This one has actually got the different inside chamber on the front of the Harrop, so that'll be pretty cool as well. So race boat stuff going on in the background. We'll be racing in a couple of weeks. World's biggest LS. Obviously we've got 4 hoists always operating. We've got a head and cam live. One of the techs on it. We've got another one here going on as well. And Danion's got a GDO, that's getting a full build as well. So plenty there. Okay, here's our engine room. Senior staff, well, not sure Nate's senior, but he's definitely well qualified. So Nate's doing a rebuild at the moment and getting everything done. So obviously you can see everything's labelled and done out to precision. So he knows what's going on as well. That's pretty cool. You'll see a brand new LS3 stuff that'll be built into a Jet Sprint stuff as well. We do a lot of that. We also do these brand new packages now, so sometimes if guys have actually got a problem with them, we'll offer them a brand new LS3 and then we'll put our top end and equipment on it with GM Motorsport heads and everything else that's done. So it sometimes fast tracks the thing up because we get pretty bogged in with engine build stuff and the high end stuff. But yeah, that's one of our other facilities here. And then obviously you've seen before, we've got mission control with all the flow bench stuff. Then we walk across to the Mustang, which will run up tomorrow. Pro Charger, P1S, you would have seen that earlier. We left the bar off to give you an idea. It's a pretty awesome kit, well developed by Pro Charger as well. You know, mammoth intercooler. These kits do work really well on the Pro Charge version of the Mustang. Yeah, talking about that as well, we've got Harrop. This car's a good friend of mine, an early model, 2300. And what this does show you that Harrop have got their act together with their intercooler stuff. This is one of the first ones that had an updated intake. But this has obviously slightly different in the intercooler system with the front mount underneath as well, the way they run it. Also this reservoir. And logging and doing some work on it. The new models, which we use a lot of these days now, compared to the old days we used a lot of Pro Charger. This is the reason why the IATs are definitely a lot higher, but all the new Harrop stuff is being, you know, very good quality, and that's why we do fit a lot of the Harrop stuff now. So if you were ever comparing a Harrop to old days compared to new, you can't really do that. So you've got to compare the new Harrop intercooler temperatures, because they have really done a good job as well. We'll move on to, we don't just do the cars, we actually manufacture here as well. You'll see in here, yep, we've got it out. That's a barra block. It's just been taken out. There's one sitting here for decking. Another one for sleeving. That's an LS, will be 427 or 454. Couple of barrows here as well. And then just, there's a torque plate on one still. Young brigade's more into the barrows, not myself, but they like the boosty boost. Into the machine area. So you'll see here, that's our centroid at the moment. We've got a block in there and doing some machine work. Machine's just resetting itself, running through its processes, but we have the full capabilities of machining it. We just, at this stage, don't do a lot of it because of time constraints. We're so busy with CNC heads. We don't usually have these fixtures in it, but yeah, basically we can do everything that needs to be done. So that's that part. And run around to the DMG Mori, and we're making rip shift parts, all the manual stuff, everything made in Australia. The majority of it's made, 90% of it in Melbourne and here. Yeah, I don't know if we even get any stuff done in New South Wales anymore with the bonding, but yeah, all made here for the manual stuff. We're trying to keep it that way. I invented this thing in the, basically 1999. It's 25, so 26 years rip shift's been going, and still made here in Melbourne, which we're very proud of. Parts come out here. It's pretty cool machine. So it's got a bar feeder and everything else. So that's a day for me in GM Motorsport. Plenty on. We've got a young brigade now with us, which we're very proud of, that we're still actually running all this stuff and can get it done. We're making products, we're tuning cars. We do a little bit of diagnosis, but realistically, if your car's not done by us and got problems, we're not really into that because it takes up too much valuable time for our own customers. So guys, there is benefits from coming here. We can help other workshops out, which we do quite often with our trade stuff or problems. But if you need anything behind the scenes, a lot of people don't know our capabilities and what we've done. We've been around for 30 years. And basically, we've got a big trade store, we've got a big online store. We're still active, we're still proud that we make our stuff here, and we're still proud every day to walk in and call it GM Motorsport Straight Speed. Thanks, guys.